Earning money online. It's not going to be as overwhelming as it sounds now that your clever money girl has your back. Now is not the time to be intimidated. You may have tried a lot of money-making agendas which led to no avail. Maybe it was too complicated for you. Maybe you don't know where to start. Or perhaps you encountered the worst-case scenario of things not being legit. Regardless of these circumstances that I've just mentioned, for most individuals, especially those just starting out, earning $500 to $1,000 seems pretty freakish. Hi, welcome to my channel where I show you tips and tricks to earn money online. All you have to do is follow a few simple steps, and me, the clever girl that will help you at every turn of your money-making journey. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and click on the notification bell to keep you updated on our new uploads. Let's get started. Hence exactly why you have to stay tuned. I'm going to teach you a brand new method that will enable you to generate this much money, or even more, every single month. With at least $1,510 per month and without much effort, I'll be sharing ingenious methods that could potentially allow you to earn fast in today's video. This is a legitimate passive income method that does not even call for technical expertise. Buckle up because there won't be any waiting for this approach. Everything will move quickly. A really straightforward method of making money online in 2022. So the first website I'd want to show you today is Redbubble. And don't worry, it's more simple and more basic than you may imagine. Simply enough, Redbubble enables you to sell a variety of designs, as demonstrated here. These are only a few illustrations. For instance, phone cases often range in price from $20 to $40. Redbubble has a ton of other categories where you can immediately start selling your designs for money. I'll demonstrate a fully automated piece of software that you can use to start creating different designs. Let me first show how it functions. After registering for a free account on Redbubble, click this button, followed by this one that says Sell Your Art, in order to be taken to the dashboard of your Redbubble account. As a complete novice, you're already capable of a few things. To create a product, go to the website and click on Add Design. This will take you to this page, where you can add your new work. The final step is to utilize a cryptocurrency bank transfer or a PayPal transfer to get paid and put money directly into your account. You then have two options. First, you can upload a brand new design. Second, you can use an already existing design. Suppose that you wish to start by submitting new work after creating a new account. To upload a design, simply click on this button right here. So I just finished posting my design to Redbubble. That is the design I just released now. And of course, I'm aware that many of us lack the skills necessary to design or produce various photos and graphics. This is the reason I wanted to show you snappa.com, the second website. Basically, you may quickly create a variety of online graphics on this website. It's actually quite easy and straightforward. Once you've logged in, just enter your name, email address, and password. Their numerous templates can be used to generate a set of designs. One thing you'll notice straight away if I post on Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platforms is that there are so many themes available that none exactly meets our demands. We will therefore need to create something distinctive and have it printed on various products, such as t-shirts, flasks, phone cases, and so on. Take note of what I'm about to show you right here. Please type 2,200 times 2,200 under graphic design. Now, all you need to do is click this Create button to be taken to this dashboard, where you may start designing various elements for your template. You can accentuate your designs with effects like lettering and so forth. There are numerous images, new forms, and several other choices that can greatly ease your work. I can choose icons and insert them with certain words, like cats. As I click on it, I can find several cat-related icons. They appear directly on top of my design canvas. Of course, I can move things to make them smaller or larger, and I can drag and drop them to arrange or place them wherever I please. By choosing a heading and pressing the text button, you can also add text as a second option. Now that it's back at the top, you can edit the text there. You can create this simplistic design using Snappa on either your phone or computer. To save your design to your phone or computer, just click this button. Once you've finished it, you'll be able to get a free Snappa design. All that is left to do is enter some basic details for your design, such as the title, which we can simply enter cute cats, and the tags, which we can simply enter cats, cute cats, and cat. Simply stating that cats are cute will do in the description. Keep scrolling down to see numerous product reviews of your design that's been printed on different things, such as clothing with varied designs. They are prominent here and are well liked. A phone case is another thing you might find, along with phone wallets and cushions, among other things. Numerous cat and animal enthusiasts among the millions of visitors and customers that come to Redbubble to conduct basic shopping will likely choose to purchase your products. After viewing the preview, you can choose up to 2 media options by moving down to the section below. For this example, I went with both digital art and design. Check for a very important setting that you must not forget by scrolling down. Make sure to choose Optimize Recommended in the Optimizer's drop-down menu that asks who can view this work. Make sure Anybody and Public is selected so that others can view it while looking through and purchasing items from Redbubble. Last but not least, when asked, "Is this mature content?" make sure you select No, and then just click on this to accept the terms and conditions in order to save your work. Processing will start and should just take a few seconds. You're almost ready to start selling. Congratulations! Just complete your payment details and configure your payment options. For instance, if you wish to put money into your bank account or PayPal account, you can put it here. Basically, that is the entirety of your Redbubble.com business. Customers that visit Redbubble.com and type in specific keywords, such as cats or animals, have a chance of finding your item if they decide to buy. This will allow you to earn money. It is time to discuss other things that you need to know now that I've given you my top advice for advertising both your design and your store. Redbubble is a great platform for selling products, but if you want to make more money, you'll need more customers and free traffic to your store to purchase more designs. On Redbubble, we want to start promoting your artwork and your company. So let me show you an underrated website called Parlor.com, which isn't known much. A brand new social networking site. It is comparable to Facebook, yet has far less competition. You only need to click this to make a new account and then click I agree. From there to join the Parlor immediately. To verify your account, just provide your email address, phone number, and password. This is what you are going to see when you go into a Parlor account. It functions somewhat like Facebook, in such a sense where you can write different posts. As you can see, I'm able to start writing on Parlor straight away. They have a text system where you can view what is currently trending, which makes them stand out from the competition. Utilize a range of tags, including Parlor UK, the hashtag Bitcoin, and Garden Club. There are also numerous hashtags people are using in relation to cats when I search with the phrase cat. Let's simply assume a simulation wherein when I click on these hashtag cats, I can find Parlor community members from all over the world. You can take advantage of this free traffic into this tight-knit community on Parlor by posting unique posts, photographs, and videos regarding cats and other animals. When people click on the link to your store, they will be taken to this page where they may look around and possibly purchase any of the things that you are selling, such as hoodies, t-shirts, mugs, and so on. You can use this opportunity to advertise your Redbubble shop. You may place your link right here on top of your article after typing something like, "I really adore this store with so many lovely kitties. Check it out." To attract interest, you can also include your photos of your product designs. Just keep in mind that it's crucial to use hashtags like #cats and #cuteCats so that people may find your post when they search for particular items. And when they click on your link, they can visit your Redbubble store, where you can get paid anytime they make a purchase. And yes, that's how you use Redbubble to submit fresh and innovative ideas, start selling various items, and encourage people to promote their goods, while also helping you to increase your earnings by employing the parlor approach. As we conclude this video, I guarantee you that you should definitely give it a shot. Apply the methods and tips that I, your clever money girl, shared with you in this video in order for you to make PayPal money quickly and easily. But wait, do you want to know the best method for you to garner and earn money on YouTube? Click the link in the description box below. If you have reached this far in the video, please consider dropping a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell down below. For more opportunities, alternatives, or special and unusual money-making techniques and strategies for yours truly. I'm the Clever Money Girl, and I'll see you in the next one.